Hello folks, my name is Mohammad Misbauddin and I am e-education provider of medical coding, and I am teaching you about the certification called Certified Professional Coder. In this video, you will learn about integumentary systems subsection, that is flaps. So let's start. What is flap? Flap is a kind of plastic and reconstructive surgery where any type of tissue is lifted from a donor site and moved to recipient site with an intact blood supply. Means skin flap is still attached to its original site at one end and remains connected to blood vessel. This is an example of flap, that is formation of tube pedicle. In this procedure, the physician will prep, wrap and anesthetize the patient. For the formation of direct or tube pedicle, the physician will make incision and by lifting the edges from a healthy skin, and he gives that skin tubular shape by stitching its edges together. Then the physician will clean the recipient site with antiseptic and attach the tube over it. Then this tube pedicle flap remain connected to donor and recipient site at the same time with intact blood supply and also tunneling under the skin if needed. So this blood supply will result nourishment and growth of the tissue. Then there will be the another procedure called delay of flap procedure or second stage procedure after the formation of tube pedicle procedure is performed. So in the delay of flap procedure, the physician will divides the pedicle flap by incising it at the donor site from its base and sutures the remaining portion of the flap to the donor site, and then he properly makes the shape of graft at the recipient site. Then he closes both the site in layers. So there is another example of delay of flap. You can see in the picture how this flap was created previously. Physician made incision over forehead and he moved the healthy tissue towards the defected side nose by rotating it. Then after so many days the tissue grows. So for this previously created flap, the physician will perform delay of flap procedure. The physician will divides the flap by incising it at the donor site from its base and sutures the remaining portion of the flap to the donor site and completes the insets of the graft at the recipient site, and then he closes both the sides in layers. We have guidelines for flap subsection. So coder needs to identify the difference between pedicle flap and graft. You should also identify whether the procedure was formation or delay or transfer of flap based on anatomical sites. Let's see CPT book for codes. So this is the integumentary subsection flaps in the CPT book, and we have the code 15570, and the description of this code is formation of direct or tube pedicle with or without transfer. The previous and the first example I explained you is related to this code description. So if it is performed on the side trunk, then you can assign 15570. And again, if the tube or direct pedicle is performed on the group scalps, arms or legs, then you can assign 15572. And remember, till the semicolon the code description is same for 15572 and remaining all other groups. And again, if this procedure is performed on forehead or cheeks or chin or mouth, neck, axilla, genitalia, hands or feet, you can assign 15574. And if it is performed on eyelids, nose, ears, lips or intraoral, then you can assign 15576. and the next code is 15600, and the description of this code is delay of flap or sectioning of flap, division and inset at trunk. The previous second example explained was related to this code. If delay of flap was performed at the side trunk, then you can assign the code 15600, and based on anatomical sites you can assign the code 15610, 15620, 15630, and the next code is 15730. Description of this code is mid-face flap, that is zygomaticofacial flap with preservation of vascular pedicles. For example, if the patient came with injury of open wound on any area of face or scalp, then the physician will prep, drape and anesthetize the patient where the wound is. He'll clean the wound with antiseptic. Then after that, the physician will create a zygomaticofacial flap of skin from the mid-face of the patient to treat injury or open wounds on the face or scalp. He then rotates the flap complete with vascular supply to cover the defect, with the help of sutures at the recipient site and donor sites as well. And the next code is 15731. Description of this code is forehead flap with preservation of vascular pedicle. Example: axial pattern flap, paramedian forehead flap. For example, if the patient is coming with injury of nose or open wound on the nose, then for this kind of condition the provider uses ultrasound and identifies the exact location of supratrochlear vessel which supply blood to the front part of the scalp. Then the provider incises the healthy tissue from the forehead and rotates the flap and places the flap over the affected area and secures the flap in place with the help of sutures, and also he closes the donor area. The only keyword to assign the code 15731 is supratrochlear vessels. And the next code is 15733. Description of this code is muscle, myocutaneous or fasciocutaneous flap, head and neck with named vascular pedicle, and these are the muscle examples: dorsinatus, genioglossus, temporalis, masseter. So these four muscles helping in chewing the food. Then we have sternocleidomastoid. Then this muscle is helping to move the head side to side. Levator scapula. This muscle is situated at back side of the neck and helping for lifting the shoulder. So for example, the patient came with laceration on back side of the neck. Then the physician placed him under general anesthesia. By using sharp knife, he lifted the muscle levator scapula and moved that flap to the defected area on neck by rotating it and attached it by suturing. Then he closed the donor site as well. After closing the donor site, he applied the dressing to promote healing. So assign the code 15733 if this procedure was performed on head, neck or jaws. And also based on the anatomical site like trunk, assign the code 15734. If the anatomical site is upper extremity, assign 15736 and 15738 for lower extremity. And for any doubts or practicing questions, you can request me on cpctrainer@protonmail.com, and please don't forget to mention the section name. And thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment.